guys, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel.
Yeah, I'm Diana.
Yeah, and we are heading to see one of our recipients. It has been a while since he has been on the channel, but we are going to him this morning. Alright, so do enjoy the journey with us, and please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so we are driving through. We just came through Shadu Cristiano, return right past the gas station. So this is not Devon yet, Marcel.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. But anyway, we head in that direction. Mr. Heron, who we are going to visit, lives in Robinson Hall.
Robbins Hall.
Get confirmation on that as soon as
Robbins Hall.
Okay. Yes. The house up on the hill looks so pretty.
Which one? Pink one?
No, it's like a blue or a green. This morning it's windy and cold. It was raining earlier, not heavy. Well, it rained last night in Trelawney, and while we're on our way up through Manchester, rain was doing, so it's cold and windy this morning. I feel like we're overseas somewhere.
Overseas with it, yes. We're overseas.
Yeah, it's true.
Anybody that come here, they have to come over and see.
But we're like literally overseas, true.
Yeah. So I feel like a rock in the sea, you know? Say the dash cam, even if you don't go fast, you make it look like you go fast, you know?
Yeah.
I look on the slow driving and look on the dash cam. I said, look. But we don't know our name, so.
You don't know our name, so no.
I know her name is Speed. It's an outrun, yes, sir. The second time when I drive here, so got Mr. Heron, not sure. Huh?
No, we are more than once. More than once, but sometimes when we go to him, we come in from spot inside.
No, you said to me.
So it's not just one time.
Just tell me what you said to me. I may not understand.
We don't understand.
Somewhere one time we drive us about Mr. Heron.
So, and you say one time? an infant school here, so.
Oh, this half Devon Primary. That way in there. Hard here though.
So come here.
What's up? I'm only passing the power shop.
Okay. That hill's steep. Whoa.
So when I make a right out here, so
Devon Hill to Mountain. Okay.
so this a hill we are go down now. Love hills. That's a little steep also. And I feel safe, you see? And I feel safe with the drive around a quality than shorter.
Maybe. But to travel go from Christiana to there to come here, you know, like as we're at Homewood End, so by the time we're driving back to all the way to Hollywood to come out, that we would reach already. You don't think so?
No? No. So we are go straight. Let's go long coffee. We're not drive. We're not go long coffee, not you? I always hear your name and I wonder which part you're saying. I think we see it already this time. Breads. Good bread. Alright, daddy. Eat up your bread here now. Sugar and water with lime. I'll get some outdoor breeze.
I'm looking at the house up here, like the entire roof gone.
Yeah. So next one is done.
To put back your roof together, have not been able to repair. Some people still have the tarpaulin on top of their roof.
Yeah. I know said the tarpaulin funny. After a while it tear up because it breeze. Hey, we don't so we are going up.
I look on the road. I didn't remember that him lives so far.
The man lives so far. So far. So we are going there way down so.
Turn it the other way.
Way down so we are going.
Oh wow.
Way down. So I can't come down there so. Jesus, a pay hill there.
It's really been a while since we came to see him. I never remember him live so far though. This hill. There's another entrance, but where we were, we'd have to take this entrance. Oh, it wasn't doing anything?
Well, this make that do it. Take out the phone and video and in a video nothing. Just a see picture up there. And then I bump here, sir. wave, so we are going up. You see that clean out spot where I pass us, you know?
Ah, that's why you were saying that other roads round that way.
Shorter. Yes. Because when we drive around, so we don't see no hill like that.
How far?
church up there, Satina?
Yeah.
That's where we are going. It's one old track there. Our old backhoe. Which part we are going again?
I think we've been told.
Morning again, my boss. How you do?
Good day, man.
How we are go? How which part we are go?
I'm all day.
So which part we are go?
You don't know where you are go.
You should know where we are go. You don't know we.
No, sir.
Oh, we are going to Robbins Hall.
Oh.
Around this, so we're going to show.
Yeah, man, you go that way, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Thanks. We're there, Malton. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Respect here.
Respect, Bridget.
Alright, that's fine. Yeah.
Oh, so I wonder where that road
Remember, I asked we did drive in but
Ballinor, that road, that sign says Ballinor. So maybe if you're going up that way.
Ballinor and the carrier goes somewhere else.
Belcaris or something like that.
Belcaris.
I don't know, I'm just guessing.
Which one name Belcaris again?
Belcaris? Oh no, it's not it's Harry what you're talking. Belcaris, the Hollywood Riches, that remind me.
Oh, so Harry Watch. Oh yeah, and then they go Mile Gully.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ballinor.
Matic.
The church top blow up on the hill here.
Every church top get touch.
The Robinson Primary School.
Ready?
Somewhere there, so the sign there.
Oh yeah. So then Robin, so just as we asked you come on Robinson. So Mr. Heron live at the back end.
So the school over there to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's
Robinson
Health Center.
This one reach one.
Take comfort.
We take comfort in the facts and this one reach.
Yep. That's Robinson United Church. So that's the church on the hill. Sign turn over.
Easy.
I remember. So that side that you're talking about from Polyville and over that.
Shorter.
Yeah.
Can we reach now? So guys, we are at Mr. Heron.
We have arrived. Okay. So hi guys, again we are here with Mr. Heron. As I said before, it has been a long while, so maybe some persons who watches us, maybe they don't know him or have not seen him before, but we're here with Mr. Heron. Hi Mr. Heron, say hello to everyone.
Good morning, hello.
Yes, it has been a while. It has been a while. So Mr. Heron is an amputee, and would have visited him a number of times, you know, when he needed some assistance with his house, but he's gonna tell us about that, how that unfolded. You can go ahead. How have you been, Mr. Heron?
Well, not too bad, you know, but Miss Melissa command are in the front room, not major damage, minor damage.
Yes.
I lose a sheet of zinc and water come in, but what happened now after the storm, I found back the zinc. It's damaged, so I have to put a lot of flash ban on it.
Okay.
And the veranda, the concern in the veranda now. The veranda need to, the front part need to seal off, because when the rain fall and it blows, the whole of the veranda wet up.
Okay. So what we failed to mention, because he's not referring to the house that we know.
Yes.
You would have received assistance with a home.
Yes, you did come. The first time you come in here since I get the new house.
Right. So
it's not the all I'm talking about. It's the first one.
Yes.
The new one that I got.
That's the one you're talking about with the zinc blow off in Hurricane Melissa. Yeah.
That's it. And a lot of water, and water coming every side.
Yeah. So how the farm?
It blows. Oh Lord. The farm damage. Damage, get bad damage.
Yes.
Every yam stick went down. But I get a little help and put it up. Right now the yam should be digging, but most of it don't have anything in it.
Oh, okay.
Nothing. The bananas, the plantain, the lime tree,
everything
down. Everything down.
So how you managing with with everything after Melissa?
Oh, I get a little minor, not major help, minor help, but I give God thanks still.
Yes.
So you have to give God thanks for everything. All the apple tree, it is down.
The apple tree gone?
Yes, right down. The pear tree down.
Pear tree gone too?
Yes.
Blow down too?
No, the star fruit tree.
The tree they kind of tough still, you know.
No blow down, you know. But what happened? When Melissa come, it beer have a lot on it. Melissa batter it, coming back. All the soursop tree, they have a lot of soursop. But they are down too.
Oh.
Soursop tree are
so
down.
around there so clear now, everything down.
You can look and see. They are down. 1, 2, 3 pear tree down. And there's the other one down the bottom.
Yeah.
He cut out the whole of the middle and flung it in the ground.
Oh no.
So the big pear tree, when we shoot the pear off with the slingshot, it broke down.
Yeah man, it break down too. I got to take it off of the bottom house. Dead. That one died.
Dead.
Yes,
Oh, no.
dead.
Yeah.
Dead.
So how is business? Because I see you improve your small business. How is it? You don't remember what up there?
No, the little business ups and down, up and down, up and down. You know,
Yeah.
a lot of shops around here.
Yeah.
One down the bottom. You have some up the top there.
Yeah. So you have a lot of competition.
Yes, a lot of competition. Business is not fast here.
Yeah.
So
Maybe I have to sell something different. Sell where they not sell. Sell some fall feeding and there's something there.
well,
Fertilizer.
there's Because they have a store up here. They sell fertilizer and chemical and those stuff. Irish things to spray, Irish potato and those stuff. You understand?
Yeah.
What have you just go on?
Yes.
They look more.
Maybe if you start a hardware.
Huh? Oh Lord have mercy. The money to start a hardware, you have to have money. You have to have money to start the hardware.
Take loan.
Eh? Why? Me no business. Me no believe in that one day. Honestly, you know. Me no believe in that one day. Trust me. Me no like it. I don't like to hoe. No, sir.
Like, oh.
No.
You don't like hoe?
No. Me no like that one day. Not the hoe we use on the ground, you know. Hoe money.
Okay.
Yes. I stay around here, some man. Need a little more assistant to get some more stuff in the shop.
Yeah. Can I sell like rice and flour and something?
Yes.
Oh. So you'd want to buy some more stock? Okay.
Yes, need some more stock.
But you said business not fast, so...
It's not fast.
So why you don't want to buy more stock if it's not fast? Because you're going to have it too long.
Hold a while, please. Hold a while, please. Hold a while.
That's so far you come?
I'm a general listener.
Cayotito.
Hey, listen, man. Go on. Alright, sir.
Yeah, man. Alright, so Mr. Heron, tell us about the leg. How things did work out with the prosthetic.
That's another story.
You never get it through. You never get through with it.
Well, I get some help to pay the money that I supposed to pay. They said the government supposed to pay $520 and I supposed to pay $120,000. No, 108. I get help and pay 108 until now. It's almost 2 years now. Next one coming March is 2 solid years. I'm in the program.
Don't hear anything yet.
Until now I don't hear anything as yet.
So is there a way to do a follow-up, like to call and see what's happening?
The last time I called over by Hargrave, Mandeville, the lady said they're supposed to, it's them supposed to call me. I don't get any call from them.
Okay.
Don't get any call as yet. And over by Ministry of Labor and Social Security, there's an office over there. There's a lady by the name of, I call her and she said she don't hear anything from the head office in Kingston as yet.
Oh wow. So you have
maybe they might make it foot.
No, sir. You have to get the call first.
to go do the measurement and
do the
stuff.
measurement and those stuff before they can, because they have to mold it first.
Then I should have called you then, man.
You call me.
Oh wow.
So I'm still waiting. One at a time I was saying, I'm gonna need a refund. I'm gonna call him and tell him that I need a refund because I'm not getting through. And the last time I went over there and I talked to the boss who is responsible, he said he's gonna check my record, go back inside and check my record. I explained everything to him, and when I go back in there, the young lady that was there he said I have to come up with, if we can come up with $350,000. I said no.
But here,
I don't have any more money.
I scam them, man.
Because the money that I pay is I get it. Then I go back and talk to him. He said if I can come up with 200.
You drop off 150 a face.
What kind of something is that?
But I don't have any money.
I don't understand
That's all like a market.
So if I'm not getting through, I need a refund. Because I could utilize up the money. Right now, the house need to get paint. The money is not available right now to buy the paint. And also I need a nice mattress. So if anyone hear my cry and give some assistance, I would appreciate it very much.
Okay. All right, and all.
Which one of them are a nice mattress?
Huh?
Which one of them are
Oh, stick one, man. Yes, we can sleep and comfortable.
Okay. Okay, you never get a new one. Is the same one that you use in the old house you have?
Yes.
Oh.
I never get no new one.
Okay, okay.
The only mattress I get with the new house is 2 small bed and 2 small mattress.
Okay.
When you lie on it, you are very low, coming like in a hole. Very low.
Maybe it's a type of mattress that you
Yes, small, you know. Very small.
All right, so also, Mr. Heron, one of the reasons why we came this morning, for, you know, a long time we never really
Long
come.
time. It's long time.
Yeah, so we have an anonymous, well, it's not anonymous, we have a donor by the name of Brother West, and he wanted us to buy your groceries. However, where we were this morning, because of the time and climate, we were not able to get the groceries, but we brought you the funds so you can, you know, buy what it is that you need. So we'll just want to say thanks to Brother West, and, you know, may God richly bless you, continue to bless you richly, rather. All right, so.
And let me say, appreciate it very much, and may God continue to be with you, sir. Many respect.
All right, and we catch Mr. Heron in a business place, so of course we never get to the hill this morning, so we can't get to see the farm and, you know, the damage that was done during Hurricane Melissa. But next time
When you come, because we get rain, and you know that the hill is very slippery.
So how you come up this morning?
Huh?
How you come up?
Oh, I have to take my time and come up.
Yeah, use the crutches.
Use it.
Oh, then still a rain.
Yes, it's still raining. We need some.
This are the one that Marcel did adjust?
Yes, man. I need some bottom. I need some bottom. And no,
Oh, hold it up, my seat.
very slippery.
The bottom. Okay.
It's very slippery.
So that's why you wrap it up with the rubber. You can't hear it.
I drop. Oh Lord, have mercy. I dropped so many times.
When you're coming up and going down.
Yes.
Morning.
Up to the other day, me get a big drop coming up. Yeah, man. Bungs all years or two.
Oh no.
Yeah. Bungs it.
Oh no.
The hair and her
Yeah, swing your foot. Alright guys, so we have spoken to Mr. Heron, and he is asking for your help with a number of things. What, the mattress?
Yes.
Yes. So it's what size mattress you use on your bed? Is the little bed same way?
No, man.
What size it is? Like queen size or king size? Or which one?
King.
It's king?
A queen.
A queen? Oh!
It's one of them.
Okay.
Queen before you go king.
Alright guys, so if you can help him, then by all means, please feel free to do so. And thank you so much. This is your individual for today. Thank you so much for making it Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Respect.